It's a beautiful morning. It is a beautiful morning. The air is so refreshing. And I woke up with so much abundance and bliss in my heart today, this morning. And it's just like, oh, don't you love that when you wake up like that? It's not every day, but I want it to be every day. So I'm gonna go and have a beautiful walk. It's gonna be a longer walk because I'm actually taking a new course on the how to be more intuitive, and it's all about with all our oracles. So it's just tapping into my oracle being and just enjoying this beautiful weather. Mom, you would love this weather. It's not hot at all. It's just perfect autumn weather. The air is just so fresh and beautiful. Beautiful day. See you later.
Fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. And there's a place that I've dreamed of where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season.
We got dolphins this morning. They're so close. Look at that. See that? My techie guy that's going to help me with my stage, so we're just kind of getting some things in order.
So for your spotlight, you want warm white, cool white? Warm white's going to be more like this color.
So
Cool
I'm going to
white's gonna
video.
be-
What would be better for video?
Warm.
Okay.
Warm's going to be better for video.
Yeah, because I want to sell like people that are just going to get in front of my want it on video.
And you one wireless microphone.
Probably at the end, I might do a little, like if it's just at the end, just to say
Okay.
thank you for coming. So yeah, if you just have
Well, what we can do is you can just have one on stand off stage here. That way it's
Okay.
easy to access. It'll be wireless. It's with it on and that'll be.
Perfect. I want to do like a Elvis Presley show with belly dancers and stuff like that. So those are the future projects I have for
That'd be
this
cool.
place
I like
too.
Elvis.
You do?
I do like some Elvis.
Well, it's like so I have a. That's good. Thank you, Jamie. I have. What a wonderful day! I did have a really productive day, and so now it's 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna get ready to get into my DJ. I got one more week of this. Actually, I had 3 more webinars. So tonight, and there's probably be dancing right now. Let's see what they're doing. So we always start with the ecstatic dance, and then we go through the modules together. Let's see where we're at here. Join. Just gonna and okay.
Recording in progress.
Bonjour. All right, so I'll see you later. Have a good night. Bye.